How to enable Outlook notifications on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to turn on and configure push notifications for new emails in the Outlook iOS application so you never miss important messages. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your settings and then you're going to scroll down and find the option of notifications. If you're not able to find them over here, you can simply head over to the search bar of settings and search for notifications. And then within this list, you're going to search for Outlook. So here's Outlook and you can see the notification is turned off right now. You can see the toggle button is turned off. In order to allow the notifications, you're going to simply toggle it on till it becomes green. And now you can see the notifications are enabled. You can customize your notifications, whether you want the alerts to be on lock screen, notification screen, or banners. You can also select the banner style if you want temporary or persistent, and you can also customize the sounds and badges. So that is basically how you can enable Outlook notifications on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.